Today we are going to be looking at two things: how to fund your Piggyvest wallet and also how to buy a property on Piggyvest. Now, for a very long time, Piggyvest lets users save in so many ways. This also includes investing in property on the platform. Now, the first thing we want to do now is I want to go ahead and fund my wallet, because at the moment when I click on Flex Naira, I don't have much money in it, right? Your Flex Naira is basically the place where you would find your account number on Piggyvest. So everybody's Piggyvest account has an account number, right? And when I click on add money here, you'd basically see my own account number, as you can see. So I'll copy this Wema Bank account number, copy. I've copied it now. Now I will go to my bank account. The goal is to send, say, let's say 10,000 naira. I'm sending 10,000 naira to my Piggyvest Flex wallet. So I've opened my Kuda bank. The bank name is Wema Bank. Now I want to paste the account number. Let's see if it's going to show up. And boom, my account number has shown up. So this is my Piggyvest account number. How do I know? It includes my name. So I'm going to click on next, and I will go ahead and send 10,000 naira to it. Narration, I could just put any random stuff and send. Now it's sent. I will go back to my Piggyvest to see if it has reflected. So you can just pull down to refresh, or just go back, or completely close the app even, then reopen it. Now I'm reopening the app. Then again, I'll go to savings. See, it just alerted me that I received 10,000 naira. So I'll go to my Flex Naira. See, the 10,000 naira is reflecting now. So I have funded my Piggyvest wallet with 10,000 naira through bank transfer by copying my account number here. Now, if I leave my money in this Flex Naira for 1 year, I'm going to get 12% interest on top of this money that I left here. But I'm not going to leave it here. So let's go to the business of the day, or to the order of the day. I'm going to go to savings here. And then this is basically where you see all your savings. I have 144,000 naira in my target savings. I have 16k in safe lock. There's the piggy bank thing, there's the home money thing, there's the flex dollar thing. What I want to do in this case is actually invest. So I would go to here instead. If you go down here, you see here it says invest. So I'll click on it. Now we're in the investment section of Piggyvest. I am currently investing in this property. I bought some shares of this property, so that's why it shows active here. If you check matured, you see property that I've bought way back, way back. This was back in, I think, 2020 or thereabout. It matured in 2021. So I invested in a poultry farm on Piggyvest way back then, and I got the returns and everything later. That's why it's showing matured. If I go to active, I'll see my current investment. This one, I invested 30k, and my returns is basically 39k. The way investing works on Piggyvest is immediately you buy your shares, you get it with your interest and everything, but you cannot withdraw your money yet. So everything is just going to be held here. The initially invested money and the interest on top of it, everything is going to be here until maturity date. The maturity date is usually stated somewhere around here before you even buy the property. So for this, for example, where it says 132 investors, 8.3% returns in, if you click on it, you're going to see more information about it. So it's corporate debt note series, XXVI, and expected returns in 6 months. So if you invest now, maturity date will be 27th of December, I think. I really zoomed in on my screen because I want you guys to see everything clearly. That's why the fonts are not complete here. But basically, you can read through the investment before you invest. You can see the repayment plan, everything. Basically, once you buy or invest in this particular opportunity now with 5,000 naira, you would get your interest. That 8.3% interest, it will automatically be added to your money, but you can't withdraw your money until the maturity date. It's after the maturity date you can now come, to your matured investment and claim it, or it will automatically claim. I can't remember how that happens because it's been a very long time since I invested. I think this one was for 9 months or 1 year or thereabout. So I just, went ahead and bought some unit and left it there. But basically, if I want to invest 5K now in this one, I will just click on it, click on invest now, and it will ask me how many units. It's just one unit. That one unit will cost me 5,000 naira. I can preview it. When you preview it, it gives you an overview of everything. Annualized returns is 17%. Actual returns is 8.3%. I think this 8.3% is in 6 months, because if we really look at it, 8.34 multiplied by 2 would give us 17, I think. So it's, if you basically leave it for 6 months, you'd get 8.34%. That's December. That's the maturity date. So I can go ahead and do this now, and click on invest now. If I click on invest now, boom, that's it. I will automatically be investing in the asset. So this is how much I'll get in return later. I'm not going to go ahead and invest in this asset right now because I don't know, for some reason investing 5,000 naira to get 5,416, and I have to wait for like 6 months or something feels like a very long time. So I wouldn't bother. I'll just leave it. But this is basically how you invest in property on Piggyvest. And yeah, if you have any more questions, let me know. If there's anything you would like to learn about Piggyvest, if you have time, go over the other investment opportunities. They've had like really good ones from way back. This was 16%, this was 30%. So take your time, go over the Piggyvest app and decide what investment you'd like to invest in. Again, you also don't have to buy property. You can go to savings here and check out the other savings options. If you do target savings, for example, the interests are also high. If you want to see the interest for everything, you can come to account here, and you can click on today's rates. When you click on today's rate, you see everything. So this is the interest you get on piggy bank investment. This is the interest you get on flex. This is the interest you get on house money interest. This is the interest on safe lock. This is the interest on target savings. This is the interest you get on flex dollar. How do you access all of this? Well, by coming back to savings. If you come back to savings, you see them: target savings, safe lock, piggy bank, and house money as well. They are all here. So that's it. That's how to invest in properties here on the Piggyvest app. Let me know if you have questions, and I'll see you around. Bye.